The summer's calling. I'm just gonna do the same thing on both so that it's like as even as possible. So alright, so here are my new pants. I'll try them on now. So happy. Thumbs up if you want to see more of these kinds of videos, and comment down below if you've ever DIY'd any of your clothing. I'm really interested how your experiences are with DIYs, or if you have like a favorite DIY, let me know down below. Maybe I can try it out for myself. And love you so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that